In this video I am going to tell you how you can create a gaming server in Discord. So first of all you need to install Discord application in your system and log in with your credential. You can see I am logging here. So after that you need to click on this plus sign, add a server. So just tap on this and herein you will get create your server option, and now you need to click on this option gaming. Just tap on this and you can create it for community or club, or you can create it for friends. So let me create for me and my friends in this video. So I can put the server name here. So I just entered friend server Praveen. Just click on our create option. So now you can see my server is created. I can now personalize my server with an icon, or I can add my first application in it and invite my friends from here. I just need to click on invite my friends and I can simply invite them from here, or I can also copy the link and send my friends personally. So it is very easy to invite my friends. So after that you can personalize your server with an icon. You can add any icon here. You can add any image here. You need to just upload it from here. You can also set roles for your friends, and emojis you can upload here, and stickers you can add here. Standboard wizard server template you can select from here. You can even generate a template, so it is very good option. So you can customize invite link from here. You can open streamer mode. You can see it is enabled. If you do not know how to turn on streamer mode, you can search specific video in my channel only. I have created a specific video on streamer mode. So you can see integration. You can add integrate apps. You can add directories here, and you can do all sort of things in this safety setups. You can check it out. You can auto add modes here. You can set up modes. You can add content here. You can see block mention spam. You can set them up. It is very important. You can save the changes. You can do all this editing and you can save changes. You can click on bans. These are the options which you can go through. You can check the members here from this place, and you can use server boost status. You can check. You can see all these things. If you want to delete it, you can delete it from here. Server you can anytime delete it. So I hope friends now you will be able to create a gaming server specifically for your friends, and you can find your server in Discord only. You can simply see the Discord server, and you can enjoy playing these games with your server with your friends. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. If you still face any problem while doing all these stuffs, and you can simply comment below and I will definitely give you reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.